do wheel spacers work on your Infiniti? Infiniti wheel spacer can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Infiniti wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Infiniti wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Infiniti wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frames, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with full Infiniti wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Infiniti wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SDS and GB test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 50mm to 50mm. BONOSS Infiniti wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent technique, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will differ in danger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS sports particularly Infiniti wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shake. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS Infiniti wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives that peace of mind.